Here we come to the elevator at the vet administration part of the Vet Med Science Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. And this elevator still lives on as of January 2025. This building was closed due to structural related issue. So I was worried this elevator might get modernized. But thankfully, it still lives. Full silent trip. Nice. Awesome. Listen to the relay. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna close up the door and start the motor on this thing in 3, 2, 1. Looks like I almost felt it was faster than it expected to be. All right, let's go back down and went in there. And I was looking at this. Somebody drew the number 4 in permanent ink. Look at that. See, that was kind of funny. Somebody just drew over the floor position indicator. Here's your PTL fire service. PTL as in praise the Lord. These are your EBCO flush line fixtures. Here's your phone. And I have the similar fire service phase 2 plaque like the one I have at home, but it's white. Well, anyways, there it goes. And that is going to be it.